Okay, so this is the beginning of the storm process. We shouldn't call it a storm, but rather a process. This is all sorts of water accumulating. And tomorrow afternoon, it'll all be ice. Like a good 6 inches of ice in some places that will last a while. This is fairly early, 11-ish, Thursday evening. This is all to be ice. That's my neighbor Damian enjoying the weather.
I am enjoying the weather.
He's got his sun umbrella up.
I know, but I'm hanging out though.
I gotta get your email so that I can send you my film.
What film is that? Oh, that. That's cool.
It'll be on the YouTube channel.
Bring it on.
Literal World.
Honestly, I'm having the most amazing Christmas. It's just, this is it. I'm being silly and stupid and...
Right on.
Oh, normal.
Yeah.
I think so.
And in the morning, great wonders.
Oh, I hope so.
What world will we wake to?
I hope so. I do honestly, I'm sitting here waiting for the snow to happen. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the snowfall to just come down.
I would bet during the night it does.
Huh?
I would bet during the night it does, but it's not forecast till morning.
Well, soon. I'm hoping soon.
Yeah. This. What's visible? Nope. Okay.
Oh, good for you.
Hoping soon.
I'll have to check that up on YouTube if I ever find it.
Literal World, all one word.
What? Literal World?
Yeah.
Literal World.
YouTube.
One word.
Yeah.
Got it. I
.com.
can remember that. Literal World. So that's your channel?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Super awesome.
Yeah. It's not high traffic. It's just the people I show it to.
It is.
Well, excellent. Good night.
Good night, my man.
See you soon.
Bye.